So we need a rank for this. So I'm gonna add a new column in here. And what would be the new column? The new column. So the new column, I'm gonna write a formula something like this. Where d is equal to unique table of unique table date 2. Then I would like to return a value. Calculate. I'm gonna use the rank function, rank eq, which takes a value. So d is my value, and then again unique table of this, and which is the order. The order is descending, and I want to say filter all table, which field. I don't have many fields, so I would say only this field. Do I need another bracket? Think so. There you go. So I've got 1 2 3 4 5. So I've got the rank in ascending order, or whichever in descending order. So whatever it is, so I'm getting a number of a unique number for the highest date, and then the lowest, and then the lowest. Right, so this is, let me put the name as same as column, it's fine. Now, so what I want to do is I want to add a new measure with using this, and also if required I can also use, it's better I give a relationship between this date 2 and this date 2. That's fine. Now I'm gonna add a measure. So my new measure would be for latest date. So MSR latest date count is equal to calculate which field, MSR count comma unique table. I have the field as column, which is equal to, take the minimum of it, take the minimum of unique table column. So this is would be my MSR latest date count. So just to see if this works, I'm gonna put another matrix and put the group here and put MSR latest date. So if you see, out of all these dates, only 19 has come in because that's the latest date, right? And similarly, I would go and write another measure, which would be for previous date, MSR previous date count is equal to calculate of MSR count comma unique table column is equal to minimum, same thing, but just a small change, unique table of column and plus 1. So I don't want the minimum but one above it, so I say plus 1. So that will give me 26th of December. So all the numbers on 26th of December. So I have got two measures now. So if I pull this measure as well, then I have got the data as on 26th of December. Right, so I can change this, rename for this visual latest date, latest date count, and previous date count. So now when your data changes automatically when you refresh, this will automatically pick up the latest date on the leftmost column and the next on the earlier date, one day earlier on this column. What did this change? So previous date count. There you go. And now you have the visual that we need. So this is easier to understand. So this is the process by which you can compare values on two dates and choose the one that we need.